Thandiswa usadukile nakuleli viki akakhoni ukweqa lapha kuleya ndoda ke emvalele kanti ke umpendulo confronted uSizwe mtshela ukuthi ngiyasola ukuthi wena ikhona into oyenzile kuma wami. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Smoke and Mirrors from the 17th to the 21st of March 2025 on Monday. When Pendulo accuses Usiza of making Thandiswa kill herself, Usiza realizes he has a problem on his hands. The Dlamini family clash over how to deal with Kaisa's suicide attempt on Tuesday. Pendulo, frustrated by Sakhile inaction over Caesar's role in his mother's death, decides to take justice into his own hands, searching for a gun on Wednesday. Pendulo almost shoots Caesar. Thandiswa wants Opuzwa, but he is uninterested. Kaisa teams up with Castro to get back at Martha. Mamiki help the depot cram for the test on Thursday. Kaisa learns Castro now only narrowly escaped but was beaten by the hotel security. Sakhile confronts Caesar over his plan to proceed with Thandiswa's memorial against his wishes on Friday. Thandiswa, as escape fails, but she learns about Sopozo's twin daughters. Jason breaks into Caesar's office, finding share agreement and odd pictures of Thandiswa. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.